Hello students, welcome back to Maths Palace. Today we will do question number 7 of exercise 7.1. Let's start the video. Now in question number 7, AB is a line, P is the midpoint, D and E are points, D and E are points on the same side of AB. AB same side पे E and D are the points such that angle BAD, this angle equal to ABE, this angle, and EPA, this angle is equal to DPA, DPB इस एंगल के इक्वल है. Show that two parts we have to prove. First is triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. Let's start with given. Given is P is the midpoint. It means AP equal to BP. डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं या फिर लिख सकते हैं P is the midpoint. P is midpoint of AB. Clear? And angle BAD equal to angle ABE. And angle EPA equal to angle DPB. Now, to prove triangle DAP congruent to triangle EBP. Clear? We have to prove triangle DAP congruent to triangle EBP. These triangles we have to prove congruent. Okay, let's start with proof. First we will take these two triangles ADP and EPB. Okay, one more thing. We are given this triangle EPA equal to DPB, but in triangle DAP, this whole angle, we need this whole angle. Clear? तो जैसा कि we have done in the last question कि हमने क्या किया था, this triangle plus this triangle क्या बन जाता था, पूरा triangle. इसमें भी again we will do the same thing. Angle EPA plus angle EPD equal to angle whole angle APD. Clear? So let's start. Angle we are given angle EPA equal to angle DPA. This one. So first we will write this angle EPA. Angle EPA equal to angle DPB equal to angle DPB. Now EPA plus angle EPD will become angle APD. Add angle EPD both sides. Angle EPA plus angle EPD equal to angle DPB plus angle EPD. This will become angle APD. APD, and this whole angle will become EPB, angle EPB. This is DPA or APD. Okay, now in triangle APD and triangle EPB, angle DAP, angle DAP equal to angle DAP, which is angle DAP or B angle. Clear? Then we are given angle BAD. BAD equal to ABE. BAD, angle BAD equal to angle ABE. ABE. ABE equal to angle BAD, which is given. Next, AP equal to BP, which is also given, or we can say P is the midpoint of line AB. Midpoint means two equal parts में divide करता है. Now एंगल ले लिया हमने. फर्स्ट एंगल, साइड, अगेन एंगल. एंगल APD इक्वल टू BPE लिख दो या EPB, सेम थिंग. दिस इज कॉल्ड फर्स्ट बाय वन. So this implies triangle APD congruent to triangle EPB by angle side angle rule. Hence proved. Clear? This is our first part of question number 7. Clear? Now we have to prove second part, AD equal to BE. AD, this line AD equal to BE. Second part, to prove AD equal to BE. Proof. We have already proved above the triangles, two triangles are equal, DAP and EPB. Clear? In these triangles, two sides are there, AD and BE. If we use CPCT, congruent parts of congruent triangle, then AD becomes equal to BE. हो जाता है. By CPCT, triangle, we can say triangle APD congruent to triangle EPB already proved above. So by CPCT, AD equal to B. Hence proved. Hope ये क्वेश्चन आपको समझ आ गया होगा. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comments. Thank you for watching my video. मिलेंगे next video में. Till then, be happy, stay healthy, and keep connected to Maths Palace.